orange eyeshine over there. Trying to get it. Where'd it go? Of course, because I come close, it disappears. It's a street light. You see the top camera. That was a whistle. See an eye shine over there, dead center. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. It's kind of orange. Right there. He's gone, gone, gone. Let's see what the other guy's doing. Find him. That's where the whistle came from, was where the eye shine was, which is across the road. There's a car over there. He was on top of that car. Back behind it. He was still there. There. The camera's having a hard time focusing. It's completely black out here. Focusing on it. There we go. He's still there. He's still flashing. Blinking, blinking, blinking. I'd like to know who he's blinking at. Because the other one with the orange eye shine over to my east, this is in the north. The east. This guy can't see that guy. A minute ago, a whistle was responded to, so let me try that again. Hold still. Mosquitoes. Sorry about that. Come on, focus, focus, focus. Focus. Come on, focus. Camera's not focusing because it's so dark out here. Here we are. He's still there. I guess he is the watcher and he is communicating to the others. Let me go back over here to the east. See if I can see those orange eyes again. See him looking. Zoom out a little bit so I can focus. See that street light is right there. The eye shine was right down there. Like he was on the ground. Yeah, there he is. He's still there. Just barely see him. Yeah, leave him low. I can barely see that with the naked eye. He's a big guy. His eyes are far apart. There's gotta be somebody else. That one guy flashing. There's gotta be somebody in the back. I keep looking. There's a street light over there, you see. And a reflection from it. Wait a minute. Yeah, it's a reflection. I'm gonna whistle again, see if I get a response. Highway noise pretty loud tonight because it's so clear and quiet, no wind. Just kind of panning around over here. There's some street lights from this location I'm standing at. Everything looks a little different. There's a car way over there. That's about a block and a half away. This area is where that orange eye glow was on the ground. Zoom it again, see if I can find him. Yeah, I can't see him from this area. Oh, it's just barely. Something right there. Yeah, he's still in his location. He's about... I'm really zoomed in now. He's about half a block away. He's 3 yards away. Something else showing up on camera there, a light that I can't see with my naked eye, but the camera's picking it up. Not sure what that is. Just gonna watch it. Might have two, because to the naked eye, there's no other light source there. Hello, Pita. You wish to communicate tonight? Say hello. That other one disappeared. There he is. I can only see him through the camera. It's a car passing by if you hear a noise. It's like there's a howl. Go back towards that howl. Walk through. Need to leave my dog alone. Dee, where are you? Now the neighborhood dogs, well, not neighborhood, they're ways away, are barking. Dark out here. See nothing. Zoom in a little bit on the heavier tree areas. See anything? Any eyes up in the tree? You don't always see it with your naked eye. Sometimes the camera's the only thing that gets it for you. That's why I walk around out here with it on. Otherwise, sometimes you feel like you're kind of blind. I gotta get back to my dog. And never leave her by herself out here, because they will take off with her. Well, back up. See if that guy is in the north. Dee Dee, where are you? Good girl. Good girl. Good girl, watch. You watch. Same position. Yep, it looks like he's still there. Flashing. Well, that's enough. That's enough for now. He's not being very steady. Okay, well, until it gets more active, tree peekers out.